Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making Romany creams. Trust me, they taste even better than the ones we buy at the shop. But anyway, this was a highly requested video, so enjoy. Romany creams, yeah. These are the ingredients that you're going to need, which is 500 grams of butter. I strongly suggest you use Rama, the original one. It's very delicious, and it's, yeah, I can't compare it with any other butter that you can use. And you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. You can use brown or white sugar. You're gonna need 1 large egg, but because I don't have large eggs, I've got these small eggs. I'm just gonna use 2 of them. You're going to need some vanilla. You're going to need a quarter cup of oil. You're going to need icing sugar, which is not here, but yes, we have some icing sugar. And you're going to need cocoa powder, which is 125 grams. You'll need 4 cups of flour, 2 cups of coconut. Well, I bought the finely chopped coconut. It's up to you, you can use medium size, just not large. And yeah, baking powder, teaspoon of baking powder. Stay tuned and enjoy. Because my butter is not at room temperature, I'm gonna have to put it in the microwave. Remember, so I've put my butter in the microwave for a minute at the highest setting so it can melt a bit. And yeah, now it's ready to be used. I'm gonna pour it inside my bowl. And yeah. There it is. Just gonna give it a whisk. See, now it's coming together properly. I'm not using any equipment in this video to accommodate those. Oopsie. Okay, sorry about that. To accommodate those who don't have. So I'm just gonna make sure that your butter gets in enough air. If you've got a mixer, you can use that. But it won't make much of a difference as long as your butter has melted properly to room temperature. It will be able to get to the consistency that we want it to be. The next step is to put in 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. There we go. 1 cup of sugar, and we're gonna have to mix that in as well. So I decided to break it separately so that I don't have any troubles with it, with removing the shells that might have fallen into the egg, like now. It makes it so much easier, because imagine having to get rid of this while the egg is already inside the mixture. Is not ideal. Okay, so sometimes you just gotta make your life easier for yourself. So I'm not gonna whisk it or anything. I'm just gonna add it just like that, and then it's time to add some vanilla. Oh yeah, so vanilla, guys, I don't know how to measure vanilla. Okay, for the sake of this recipe, I'm just gonna say add 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Actually 4, make it 4. 4 teaspoons, which is 2 tablespoons of vanilla, because we all know that vanilla and chocolate, perfect combo. Yeah, know that. It's time for the oil. I'm using virgin olive oil. Just a quarter, you guys. A quarter of a cup of cooking oil that you're going to add, just to make sure that our Samoas. It's not Samoas. Then now we're adding icing sugar. I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of icing sugar to my mixture. I'm sorry, I added a bit more. Okay, guys, I've got a sweet tooth, but yeah, a quarter of a cup of icing sugar. And then we're gonna mix that. Time to mix that in. See all those. Now it's time to add cocoa powder. 125 grams. So basically, it's the whole of this container. Now it's time to add in the flour. Before I mix in anything, I'm going to add in flour. I'm gonna make it 4 cups. Now it's time for the coconut. I'm going to add 2 cups of coconut. Oh guys, I'm already excited. There's going to be some lekker yummy biscuits. Okay, I don't know why I'm even doing this. Yeah, there's no need to sift your coconut. And then after that, I will just add some baking powder. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. Okay, I said 1, but I'm changing my mind, making it 2. Yeah, of baking powder. Baking powder. So I'm going to mix all of that in. So I've decided to layer some wrap on the table and put my dough mixture on it so that I can let it rest for about an hour or 2 in the fridge. This is the chocolate that I'll be using to make my filling. I just took some Oreo and peppermint because I love my Romany creams with some mint flavor. You can feel free and use any chocolate of your liking. So yeah, so I'm going to grate my peppermint crisp just to make it easier to melt, because when it's like this, I don't want these chunks of mint or mint candy to be in my filling.